swinging in the trees, shining with their alligator. She attacked me, they attacked me. Look. And knocked the monkey out the tree. Three little monkeys swinging in the trees. See them in the monkeys. Can't catch me, can't catch me. And snap that monkey out the tree. Two little monkeys swinging in the trees. Here, Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Mr. Alligator. And snap that monkey out the tree. One little monkey swinging in the tree. He's Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Look, Mr. Alligator, what I can be, and snap that monkey out the tree. No more monkeys.
Can you do a somersault? Well, try again. Woo! Can you spell your name?
N-I-T-H-A-N.
And what about spell Edgar?
E-D-G-A-R.
And what's your baby brother's name going to be?
Baby Noah.
And are you excited to have baby Noah come live with us?
Yeah.
Where's he going to sleep?
In Aunt Jessie's bed.
In Aunt Jessie's bed?
Yeah.
Where's Aunt Jessie going to sleep?
Downstairs in the basement.
When she comes to visit?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Can you say goodbye to the video?
Goodbye.
Say I'm 3 years old.
I'm 3 years old. So